So student, next is electrolysis of acidulated water, and in this acidulated water we will discuss, as you all know that water is a poor conductor of electricity. तो सबको पता है water जो है that is poor conductor of electricity. Clear? Now if we add some acid to it, then it becomes a good conductor. Plus acid, then it becomes a good conductor. Clear? Now we will study about the electrolysis of this. So here we have water. Suppose acid added is H2SO4. Let us take H2SO4. Clear? Now H2O will give H positive plus OH negative ions on passing electricity. And if we take sulfuric acid H2SO4, then it will become H positive plus SO4 2 negative sulfate ion. Now if we balance this, then here we get 2H positive plus SO4 negative. Clear? Now when we pass electric current, okay, then what will happen? H positive ions will migrate toward cathode and OH negative and sulfate ion will migrate towards anode. Now we will see the reaction. First, let us take the reaction at cathode. Cathode is negative, so the positive ion will migrate, and here the positive ion is only H positive. So here there is no competition between the ion. H positive are there. Then H positive plus electron will give one H, and as we know H is not stable, therefore H plus H will form H2. Clear? So this is the reaction at cathode. Clear? Now at anode, what will happen at anode? Anode is positive, so and here oxidation takes place, and here reduction. Now what will happen? Both the ions hydroxide and sulfate migrate towards anode. Clear? But out of this hydroxide and sulfate ion, hydroxide ion will get discharged by losing electron, and these sulfate ions will remain in the solution. There will be competition between hydroxide and sulfate ion, and according to their that discharge potential, hydroxide ions will get discharged as compared to sulfate ions. Now what will happen? Hydroxide ions, OH negative, it will lose electron to form OH plus electron. Clear? Now what will happen? This OH is unstable. As this H is unstable, same OH is unstable. So OH and OH combines to form H2O plus oxygen. This reaction is to be seen very carefully. What will happen? Out of hydroxide and sulfate, hydroxide will migrate or discharge at anode, and here OH negative, oxidation, loss of electron, OH will lose electron to form OH, and then as H is unstable, OH is also an unstable species, so here OH plus OH will give H2O plus O. Now here single oxygen atom is there which is also unstable, so here we will do oxygen plus O will give O2 molecule. Clear? Now here 2O is there, here it is 1. Clear? So we can cancel out it by multiplying by 2. Simply multiply this equation by 2. Why to multiply here by 2? Same species, this on right hand side, left hand side. If there are same species on left hand side and right hand side, then make them same and such that they will cancel out. Now multiplying by 2, we will get here, I am writing here equation, 2OH plus 2OH will give 2H2O plus 2O, and here it is also 2O O plus O will give O2. Now, what will happen here? This and this will cancel. So here reaction will be, here it will be 4OH will give 2H2O plus O2. In some book this reaction is written directly. So from here we get this reaction. Clear? Clear? O plus O will O2, then multiply to make it and to cancel out, and here 4OH will give 2H2O plus O2. Now what will happen here? Now we have this equation also. This equation we got from here. We have this equation also. Then we will write here. Here we can write OH. Here this I will focus like this. OH negative will give OH plus electron, and here we get 4OH will give 2H2O plus O2. Clear? Now, taking this equation, as I have told you that make the same species equal and just cancel out. And here same species we have OH here, and here it is OH. Here only one OH is there, here 4 OH is there. So multiply it with 4. Clear? So here we will get 4OH negative, and multiplying 4 with this, so 4OH हो जाएगा, 4OH and 4OH will cancel. This will give 2H2O plus O2 plus 4 electrons. Clear? So this is the overall equation at anode, starting from here, then here this step, and then adding both, and then we get this main reaction at anode. Don't cram this reaction, it can be done like this. Clear? So this is the reaction at anode. Clear? Now we have at cathode, we have this reaction. Clear? We have H positive at cathode. We have H positive plus electron will give H2. Clear? Now here how many electrons are involved? 4 electrons are involved here. 4 electrons are involved. Clear? So always when you write or when you add the equation at anode and equation at cathode, make the number of electrons same. So at cathode we have to multiply this equation by 4. So adding both the equations, we will get 4OH negative plus H positive multiplying by 4. So here 4. Clear? Here it will be 4 electron, and here it is 4. 4 and 4 electron will cancel out. Multiplying 4 with electron, 4 electron, and this 4 electron will cancel out. And next it will be, then it will be 2H2O plus O2. Clear? Clear all of you? So 4OH negative plus 4H positive will give 2H2O plus O2. This is the this is the complete equation. Clear? So we will get here, okay, here we will get this H2 also, here H2 also we will get 4. Now here we will get 4H2O. We combine this 4H2O, 2H2O plus O2 plus 4H2, and taking this 2H2O we will get 4 minus 2 is 2H2O will give O2 plus 4H2. Okay, here one mistake is there. Instead of 4 we will get here 2. Simply here first balance this, then we will get here, no sorry, here we will get, we have to balance this now first, and then we will get here 2. Okay, 2 hydrogen, then 2, then 2 electrons and multiply by 2. Okay, so it will be 2 to 4H positive, then 4 electron, then 2H2. So sorry, please do this one. Here it will 2. Clear? So here we will get 2H2O will give O2 plus 2H2. Clear? This is the overall reaction. And as we know, H2 at cathode and O2 at anode. Clear? These are the product. Here 2 volumes of hydrogen and 1 volume of oxygen we will get on electrolysis of water.